Turn it up.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I still don't have my gun.
Oh, whatever. You can switch your gun while you're doing this, while I'm doing my intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zombies. I don't know why I did it like that, but whatever. So, Call of Duty we're going to be doing Call of Duty Zombies kind of rules. We got to board up these doors. Zombies are going to be coming in. We're going to be blowing their face off. It's going to be amazing. Actually, I don't. Oh wow, that's coming. That's interesting.
That's the Star Wars thing that I spawned.
Oh, okay. I was like, what? What? Should I spawn? Okay, so without further ado,
Pizza. Eat.
pizza pie. Okay, let's do it. Zombies.
Weird.
Okay, so let's repair the doors. Quick, go. Repair the doors. Go.
How? E?
E. Ah, I'm lagging.
Oh, that lag though.
Oh, frig me in the butt.
Oh boy.
Oh my god. Hey, how about you, like, don't break through these doors, please? Whoa, hey, how'd you get in here? Okay, that's you. I'm lagging like a mother.
I know, same.
Whoa, okay.
Oh, they broke through. Ah, crap.
Oh, frick. Okay, I have 6 health.
So shooting you will totally help.
Okay,
Alright.
we got some...
Stupid idea.
Where is it? Where are the health packs? Okay, awesome. I'm gonna go quickly. Weapons. Go for it.
Alright. Well, there goes that ammo. Now I gotta go weapon.
Oh, frick.
Die.
Okay. Oh god, I'm about to take 4 health. That's not a lie. Literally anything touches me, I'm dead.
Here, I got you.
Yep, I died.
Why am I using, like, the regular weapons? Okay, I'll use that time to spawn a pizza. Eat. It gives you health, I mean.
Hey, how are ya?
Entities, burgers. Eats burgers.
Monkey! Throw the monkey! Throw monkeys!
Okay.
I'm throwing monkeys! Oh, freak!
I'm dead.
Throw monkeys!
Oh, hi.
Bam! Ray gun. I'm going to ray gun. It's an error for you, but I don't care. Ray gun.
Monkey. I know it's an error for me, but I can still use it. Oh my good lord, that's amazing. Oh, by the way, ray gun's not an error for me.
Oh, it's not? Okay, awesome. Then use it.
New doors are... Oh.
This is amazing. This is an amazing tactic. Oh yeah, the doors. Get the doors. Freak. Okay, I don't have any more. Oh yes, I do. Okay. Throw all the monkeys. Let's go this gun. Let's go this gun.
All right, I'll just chill in here then.
Oh, frig!
Really?
Holy crap! That's intense. Rewarding! I got new allies! Okay, that's awesome. Don't know what that means. Oh my god, that's awesome!
What?
There's other people that are fighting with us, I think.
I'm shooting with...
Nope, I lied. They are enemies. They are not friendly. They are bad people. Holy crap. Break, spawn something.
Uh,
Oh my god.
oh, hey, an AK-47. That has like 600 ammo, finally.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hey, look, a Vortigon.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was friendly at first.
Nope. Okay, we gotta spawn all the pizzas. Alright, eat. Pizzas.
This is intense.
You're fighting zombies, meanwhile I'm just in this office eating pizza.
What office?
Right here.
Oh, frick.
Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. If you ever need health, eat all of the pizzas that I spawn around.
That's an amazing idea. Holy crap, I need muggies! Throw in the muggie! Throw in the muggies! Oh my god, I have 2 health! I have 1 health!
Eat!
2 doors in my low!
Or not.
I need pizza. Pizza! There's a pizza!
You're gonna hate me for what I'm about to do.
What are you gonna... Wow! That's awesome. What did you even do?
G-bombs.
Yes! If it ever gets too hectic, use G-bombs. Hey, big boy. Hey, yo, big boy. Stay out of here. Where's the pizza? What the frick? Oh, hey, how are you, Dad? Thanks, Dad. See ya, Dad.
You need more burgers?
Yes, burgers. Bob's Burgers. I'll be taking it.
They're in a pile over to the right of the box.
I see it. I'm reloading. Gotta get this big boy. Oh my god! Go! Okay, that's awesome. Okay.
Premium Angus beef.
Hadouken! Heads up!
Did you just G-bomb?
Absolutely.
Is it a nuke?
Yeah, absolutely. Get in the room.
I'm stuck. I'm trapped. Alright, no clip through.
Okay, that's out of ammo.
Where did you spawn the G-bomb?
Oh, right now, there. Whoa,
There it goes.
Here we go, big boy.
I literally fell out of the map.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I think I did too. Wow, I'm like in this weird that was.
I'm in.
Alright, I'm gonna hit you with Christmas poop. I forget what's the name of it?
Right.
Mr. Hanky the Christmas poo. Mr. Hanky the Christmas poo. Yes, I killed you with. What was it? I forget again. Oh god. I forget the name of it.
Tomahawk.
Mr. Hanky the Christmas poo.
Headshot.
Get shreked. Right, watch this. I wonder if it does for you.
Oh my goodness, you're ragdoll. It's amazing.
Damn it, can't a guy masturbate in this house?
Hang on, come forward. Walk forward. Crouch.
See ya.
Well, that was a disappointment.
Oh, Chief.
That backflip, though.
I know.
Wait, hold on, come over here. Ready? Avada Kedavra!
What? Oh, alright.
My current spell is Avada Kedavra. Let's do Wingardium Leviosa.
Do it on the car.
Let's see if it works. It's not moving.
Ain't working.
There we go.
What? Did I just like lift up into you?
I don't know, but I was like no clipping alongside you, and then I like let go of the no clip to go onto the ground, and that like perfectly coincided with your drift, which killed me. Fine. Oh my god, the interior of this car is amazing.
You should see the interior of this car. It's better.
What happened to CJ's head? Come get it.
Nope.
You must be this tall to ride.
And you must be this fast to.
Not running me over.
Yeah. Woo!
Yeah. Oh my god, how long is it gonna take me to fall? Oh my god, you were in the air for so long.
I'm still in the air. Yep, there we go. And flip.
And flip. I see is like a little dot fly into the air. I see something jump out of it, and I see that you died. So, how's your day?
I don't know, this mask is.
And that's just pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Just so you know, I'm not looking at where I'm going. I'm actually, just looking at us, you know. How's your day?
In that case, don't mind the 3 fat mans that we just ran over.
And now let's go detonate them.
Alright, stop the truck.
Oh my god! Oh, ready? Ready? I'm gonna back up. You're gonna, like, detonate them, and I'm gonna try and drive away in the distance and not look at the explosion. And, like, have the cool guy not look away, like, not look at the explosion, rather.
Alright.
That wasn't cool. I like bumped into the thing, and like I crashed into it. And I was trying to like pull away from it, and then it just kind of exploded. So it wasn't. What was that I just saw?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh boy, big boy. That corpse launch though.